Let's say you just installed a USB to HDMI adapter on your desktop or your computer, but now all of a sudden you're not getting audio or video. So the reason I had to install one is because my second HDMI port broke because a thunderstorm knocked out my second monitor. And so it didn't actually knock out my monitor, it knocked out my only HDMI. So I bought this converter here, which, as you can see there, I have it here instead of back here for now. So this is basically my USB, and then this is the HDMI right here. And I got this one called Reborn. I'll put this in the comment section where you can get it off of Amazon. But I was not getting any volume. And I thought, oh no. So what you do, if this is happening to you and you just installed this and you need to get your audio back, only thing you have to do is type in sound settings. So as we go up here, go to sound settings, just type that into search, and then from right here under output, this is what you do. You click on here, so Realtek is mine, right? So what I want you to do is go ahead and click speaker, right? And then what I want you to do is unplug it again to where your screen's black. All right, take it out and then reinstall it back into your USB, the converter, and then play the video or a video. So you can see there I don't hear anything. And then what you're going to do is go back to Realtek.
This rod maker's logo should turn.
So basically it's a little trick that you have to do in order to get it to work. And that screen, as you know, the resolution has to be 1020. So if we go to display settings, on my second one, you have to make sure that it's 1920 by 1080 to make sure that that fits when you put the converter in. All right, let me know what kind of computer you have. This is an older HP. This is like 10 years old. Let me know, very important, in the comment section what kind of computer you have. And again, I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get this particular adapter. Maybe the one you got doesn't work, but this one is only like 12 bucks on Amazon. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.